So you're running the bank, there are a lot of regulatory obligations. So there's run the bank and then you're transforming the bank. So there's a structure which is there for this entire program. But at the same time, there is agility and there is embracing the changes which are required on the fly, like because the way the things are changing. How do you balance between these two?
Transformation is an ongoing activity. I think you do need discipline. You do need to have prioritization. And so I think it actually helps people to embrace change a bit when you put a bit of structure underneath it, right? While we still try and grow that muscle that people have to be able to embrace all the different left turns, right turns we see almost on a monthly basis. So to do that, we also have to keep in mind, to your point, that we are a bank. We're highly regulated.
Yeah.
So even when we're going through transformation, we have to make sure that we have a structured way of addressing the risk around us, and that we actually keep in mind our things like, privacy of our client data as we run AI models on our client data or any kind of internal or sensitive data. So I think that having that structure gives a way for folks to feel like the transformation has some control around it and actually gives people direction.
Yeah.
So I think that balance is actually something that's a differentiator if you do it right, which is don't make it one thing, make it a cultural change that you're investing in with your people and your talent, but then give some structure within that to make sure that all the things we have to deliver on, including making sure that we stay on side with our regulatory, risks, et cetera. And then, so that way, I think what you get is a bit of the best of both worlds. But, right now we're going through a lot of thinking about how do we get really lean on the priorities where we do have to be very specific on what we're delivering. And with examples with our tech modernization program now, well, what we've done is we've chopped it into smaller pieces. So each year we sort of go back and say, here's what we're going to deliver over the next few months. We make some estimates on the paybacks and the benefits to our business and our clients, and then we execute on that. And so it's just a way of allowing us to move forward with some structure, but we still go back more frequently for funding and prioritization to make sure we're doing the right things. And AI is entering into that equation more and more. And so we find that's a good way to approach